Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Dinda Afifah Sudarpi and I'm a fourth semester student majoring in Management International Class, Faculty of Economic and Business, University of Tanjung. This video is created to fulfill the final exam of Human Resources Management class, and it will be divided into 3 parts video, each discussing one section of the final exam. Here is the second section. Question number 1, why study Human Resource Management? I study Human Resource Management because not only it is one of the compulsory lecture that I need to take in 4th semester, but I also plan to take HRM concentration because it is the field of management that is dynamic and constantly challenge myself. Humans are a very complex creature and I am very interested in studying them. HRM is a very unique and vast field of work where I can be exposed with a lot of experts in the field from each layer of expertise. It is dynamic and is constantly evolving through time. Question number 2, explain the need for human resource development. HRD is needed to achieve maximum effectiveness of organizations and the individuals and teams within said organization. This is very crucial because for the employee to be driven by goals, the company needed to achieve them too has to be driven to achieve personal goals that can be done through the integrated use of HRD. Question number 3, differentiate between performance appraisal and job evaluation. Performance appraisal aims to find and review how well the performances of the job holder of an assigned work to find their worth. And the next action step needed to be taken, whether it's further development, appraisals or incentives or reward, or termination. Usually, the comparison is between job holders inside an organization or a company, while job evaluation aims to find and review the relative worth and value of a job compared with other jobs in relation. In another organization, this is done in order to determine the wage rates of different jobs. Question number 4, discuss the importance of human resource planning. HR planning helps in assessing and recruiting skilled human resource. It focuses on maximum utilizations of human resource to minimize the overall cost of production. It measures that the organization acquires and utilizes the manpower effectively to achieve objectives. Question number 5, what are the different methods of recruiting employees? There are direct advertise, talent pool database, talent search, employee referral, boomerang employee, promotion and transfer, employee exchanges, recruitment agency, professional organization, internships and apprenticeships, recruitment events, word of mouth, bulletin boards, inclusive job adverts, programmatic advertising, video interviewing, benefiting from gig economy, engaging with passive candidates, employee referrals, texting, social media, virtual reality, using past data, employee review sites, the aging workforce management, and mobile recruitment. The question number 6 is, what are the goals of performance appraisal? It is to evaluate how well employees have conducted their duty to measure and improve the performance of employees and increase their future potential and value to the organization. Performance appraisal assists the employee to develop to achieve optimum performance and to remove blocks to improve performance. Question number 7, what do you understand by industrial relation? Industrial relation refers to the relationship between employers and employees in an industry, and the political decisions and law that affect it. The employers are represented by management, and employees are represented by unions. There's also a third party involved, the government, which acts in the interest of the employee by enacting various legislation. It also refers to a field of study that examines this type of relationship, especially groups of workers in unions. Question number 8, briefly explain the importance of discipline. It helps to produce an honest environment in which everyone is treated fairly. It ensures employees behave in an acceptable way at the workplace, adhere to the rules and regulation of the organization, and also maintain the decorum of the workplace. Discipline in the workplace is to keep employees from violating what they consider acceptable behavior in the workplace. Question number 9. Explain what human resource management is and how it relates to the management process. HRM is part of the general management that manage one of the resources in companies, which is human or the employee within these companies. It relates to management process because HRM manages one of the most important resources in companies, and as management process is a process that needed to be performed by senior management to achieve goals. To keep management process running properly, they need human resource management as most of the tasks are taken care by humans. HR professionals manage the human capital of an organization and focus on implementing policies and processes. Question number 10. Explain the role of audit in human resource management. Audit helps an organization to assess the current positions. It helps estimate what needs to be achieved to improve the HR function. The process involves a systematic review of all aspects of the HR function and processes, typically with a checklist in order to ensure that the regulation and corporate policies are adhered to. HR audit plays a vital role in instilling a sense of confidence in the management and the HR function organization. It is done to examine whether the existing HR system are in line with the organizational policies, strategy, objectives, and legal requirements. Question number 11. Define conflicts. According to Oxford Dictionary, conflict is a serious disagreement or argument, typically in a protracted one. In HRM context, conflict is in any workplace disagreement that disrupts the workflow. It is often a situation in which people perceive a threat. They may perceive this threat as physical, emotional, or a grab for power or status. Question number 12. What do you mean by human resource department? HR department perform human resource management strategy, and the HR department is a group who is responsible for managing the employee lifecycle. It is a department that is a critical component of employee well-being in any business or organization. No matter how small, HR responsibilities include payrolls, benefits, hiring, training, and firing. Question number 13, and the last is, briefly describe the importance of HRM. HR monitors the organizational culture. HR owns the overall talent management processes. In conjunction with other managers, HR leads the way in management development, performance management, succession planning, career path, and other aspects of talent management. HR is responsible for the overall recruiting of a superior workforce. HR researches, recommends, and implements employee benefits programs that attract and return their best employees. HR makes sure that the workplace activities, events, celebrations, ceremonies, field trips, and team building opportunities are occurring. And the last is, HR advocates for employees who have issues or conflicts with management and coaches, managers, and executives who seek a more effective approach to working with particular employees. And that is all from me. Thank you so much for your attention for watching this video. I hope this video is either beneficial, insightful, and very informative to you. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.